Register administrator. Password. Press star to exit. Please input again. 001. Succeed. End user, press 1. Add administrator, press 2. Delete user, press 3. System management, press 4. Press star to exit. Enter, fingerprint, password, card, press star to exit. Please enter other areas of fingerprint. 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 011. Succeed. Enter, fingerprint, password, card, press star to exit. 012. Succeed. Enter, fingerprint, password, card, press star to exit. Please input again. 013. Succeed. Enter, fingerprint, password, card.